Hello dear students. In this video, I am going to discuss some multiple choice questions on the biotechnology applications. So let us move for the details of the chapter. Then I will go for the questions. So biotechnology is making genetically modified organisms such as microbes, plants, animals for industrial production of biopharmaceuticals and other useful products. The intention of the biotechnology is for the production of more superior organisms, particularly with respect to agriculture, biopharmaceutical industries, and even other fields also. Through the biotechnology, the genetical manipulation of the organism is made possible, and these organisms are made more useful for the humans. That is why the genetic biotechnology is most promising field in the today's situation. And biotechnology mainly dependent on rDNA technology, that is recombinant DNA technology, where the DNA of two different organisms are combined with each other to get the desired product. So here the applications of biotechnology. Biotechnology has find its application in all the different branches such as diagnostic and therapeutic, genetically modified crops production, waste treatment, energy production, food processing, and bioremediation. All these are the branches where we can see the applications of biotechnology, diagnostic and therapeutic. ಅರ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋವಂಥ ಸುಪೀರಿಯರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಗಳು ಲೈಕ್ ಎಲಿಸಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ PCR, ಪಾಲಿಮರೇಸ್ ಚೈನ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್, enzyme linked sorbent, immunosorbent assay. These kind of the techniques are developed through the applications of biotechnology. The treatment of diseases, whether it is a gene disorder or metabolic disorder like the diabetes, the patients now they are treated with the insulin produced through rDNA technology, gene therapy. The disorders which are caused due to the faulty gene or non-functional gene, they can be successfully treated through the techniques of the rDNA technology, waste treatment, energy production, bioremediation, and very important is with respect to the production of genetically modified crops, pest resistant, insect resistant, with more vitamin concentration, vitamin A. Even animals are also modified to get the required product. In all these fields, we can see the applications of biotechnology. Applications of biotechnology in agriculture. Here, the genetically modified organisms are developed whose genes are altered by manipulation, whether it is animal or plant. If the genes are altered, the organisms are called genetically modified organisms. Transgenic crops. Crops contain or express one or more useful foreign genes. When the organism is carrying foreign gene, if that foreign gene is expressed in the organism, the received organism, all those are referred as the genetically modified organisms. What is the advantage of developing these transgenic crops? They are more tolerant to the stresses like heat, cold and drought. The pest-resistant genetically modified crops reduce the use of chemical pesticides, for example, BT cotton. Why nowadays there is importance for genetically modified crops? Because if the farmer cultivates genetically modified crop plants, they have natural resistance for the pests and insects. Therefore, there is no need of using the chemical pesticides, and chemical pesticides can be prevented entering the food chain or food. Whatever the food we are consuming, through that these pesticides are entering into human body. Not only they enter into the human body, they are causing air pollution, they are causing soil pollution, they are causing water pollution. Most of the problems which are created by the chemical pesticides, it can be reduced by cultivating the pest resistant, insect resistant, genetically modified crop plants. One example is BT cotton. Reduced post harvest losses. The yield can be properly obtained as there is a reduction in post harvest loss. Enhance nutritional value of the food. For example, golden rice, which is vitamin A enriched. The golden rice, color of the rice grains is dark yellow, that is why the reference golden rice. It is genetically modified rice variety rich in beta carotene, and that beta carotene is a precursor molecule used in the production of vitamin A, and that beta carotene has dark yellow color. Because of that reason, the rice is called golden rice due to dark yellow color. Then increased efficiency of mineral uptake. Natural absorption of the minerals can be increased by cultivating the genetically modified crop plants. So these are the advantages of genetically modified crop plants. So the one example, that is BT cotton. Here the cotton containing cry genes of a simple soil bacterium called Bacillus thuringiensis. BT cotton. BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis, name of a simple soil bacterium. From this bacterium, the cry genes are isolated, and these cry genes have been introduced into the plants so that in the plant naturally the crystal proteins are produced. But in the plant body, these crystal proteins are produced as protoxin. That means they are in the inactive toxin condition. When the same inactive toxin enters into the gut of insect, in the alkaline medium, it gets transformed into the toxic protein and causes the death of insect larva. Natural resistance is developed for the cotton against the bollworms. Some genes isolated, Cry1AC, Cry2AB, they are used in the production of the BT cotton. Apart from cotton, even in corn also, the crystal genes of cry genes of Bacillus thuringiensis are introduced. Then here is the schematic representation to show the development of the insect resistant cotton for cotton bollworms. The cry genes are isolated from the Bacillus thuringiensis. They are incorporated into the cotton, and the cotton plant is made resistant for the bollworms as it contains cry gene, and cry gene codes for crystal proteins. So one more example for the production of nematode resistant tobacco, and the nematode infecting the tobacco is Meloidigyne incognatia. And to develop nematoresistant tobacco, here the double-stranded RNA molecule is introduced into the tobacco cell, and this is called RNAi, that is RNA interference molecule, the double-stranded RNA molecule which results in silencing of mRNA. The mRNA is not allowed to undergo translation even though its structure is normal, which is called mRNA silencing. This is about application of biotechnology in agriculture. Even in medicine also, the biotechnology has found its application. The rDNA technology, using rDNA technology, American company in the year 1983 by the name Eli Lilly developed the insulin for the humans suffering from diabetes through the rDNA technology. Using recombinant DNA technology, this American pharmaceutical company has developed first rDNA product in the field of medicine. It is insulin, and it is marketed as Humulin, human insulin. And insulin is normally secreted in the body as proinsulin from the cells of pancreas. Proinsulin, it is inactive insulin because A and B chains of the insulin are joined by C chain. When C chain is present in the insulin, even though insulin is secreted, but it is in the inactive condition, and that C chain is removed during the maturation. A and B chains are connected by disulfide bond. Now this becomes the functional or active insulin, which acts on excess blood glucose, and it is converted into glycogen stored in the liver. And this insulin is produced by using the plasmid and bacterial cell. E. coli. E. coli is bacterium which is prokaryotic, but this prokaryotic cell is producing the insulin produced from human cells. It is the achievement of genetic engineering. rDNA technology has made possible, even though E. coli cells are prokaryote, they are completely simple structures than that of human body cells. But through the E. coli cells, the applications of rDNA technology has made possible the production of insulin. This is the schematic representation where the gene coding for insulin separately for A chain and B chain are cloned into the plasmid, and that rDNA plasmid is introduced into the host cell, that is E. coli. E. coli cells are transformed. E. coli cells are separately cultured on the culturing medium. A and B chains are separately synthesized. Later, the disulfide bond formation is executed between A and B chain. Why the A and B chains are separately synthesized? Because the prokaryotic system of E. coli don't have the ability to synthesize both the chains at a time in the single cell, so that the gene coding for A chain and B chain are separately introduced into two different plasmids, and both of them are introduced into E. coli cells to get A and B chain. Later, the disulfide bond formation is executed between A and B chain. Then, gene therapy, another most promising application of recombinant DNA technology. What is exactly doing in the gene therapy? Gene therapy involves correction of the gene defects in child or embryo. That means the non-functional gene is identified and it is replaced by functional gene. The one example is treatment given for a 4-year-old child suffering with ADA deficiency. ADA, adenosine deaminase deficiency. This is an enzyme which controls or which is responsible for the normal functioning of immune system. In the absence of this enzyme or in the non-functional condition of this enzyme, the entire immune system stops functioning, which is called SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency. For the treatment of ADA deficiency, the gene therapy is successfully used and it is treated completely. Then one more is in the field of medicine, the molecular diagnosis. So like the PCR to detect the cancer cells, enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay to identify the early infections of HIV, these two are used and these are the applications of genetic engineering. So here is schematic representation of gene therapy. The cells of the patient body are taken out, they are cultured in the laboratory using some vector. The functional gene is introduced into the cell and these cells are reintroduced into the patient body. So this is the gene therapy for ADA causing SCID, severe combined immunodeficiency. Apart from this one, another big contribution of genetic engineering is production of transgenic animals. What are these transgenic animals? Animals with manipulated genes or the foreign gene to be expressed are called transgenic animals. Like transgenic plants, when the plant or animal carries the gene of other organism, if that gene is expressed in these plants and animals, all of them are referred as genetically modified organisms. If it is animal, it is transgenic animal. If it is plant, it is transgenic plant. Then why they are produced? In what way they are useful? To know how genes contribute to development of the disease. To study the development of disease, especially which are caused by non-functional genes. To use proteins for treatment of diseases. For example, emphysema, which is a disease in which air sacs of the lungs are damaged and enlarged, causing breathlessness. For the treatment of this particular disease, alpha-1 antitrypsin protein is produced in the animal, and if that product is consumed by the patient, the emphysema can be treated naturally. To verify the vaccine and chemical safety, if any drug is newly invented, the safety of that drug is tested on transgenic animals. And one more related aspect to this one is biopiracy. Some organizations and multinational companies exploit or patent bioresources of other nations without proper authorization, and this is called biopiracy. That means stealing the knowledge or some resource of one person or one country without any proper authorization. It is called biopiracy, and Indian patent bill is there to prevent such unauthorized exploitation. In our country, the patent bill is generated to prevent this kind of biopiracy with respect to the natural resources or the knowledge of a particular person or one particular company. And to look after this one, in our country, a special committee is generated called GEAC. GEAC, Genetical Engineered Approval Committee. It is observing or it is testing all those products and organisms which are genetically modified, whether it is safe for the human use, whether it is safe for the environment or not, and whether it is producing any side effects on the health of human and other organisms. All this is observed by a specific committee called GEAC, Genetical Engineered Approval Committee. So this is the brief theory that I wanted to discuss. Now let us go for the multiple choice questions. So first one, assertion and reasoning question. Here I have given, blood clotting is prevented by hirudin protein. It is the assertion. Reason, the gene encoding for hirudin protein is transferred into Brassica napus, where accumulation of hirudin occurs in the seeds. Here both the statements are correct. Assertion is also correct, reason is also correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Let us go for the details. What is this hirudin? Hirudin is a natural protein which prevents blood clotting, means it has got anticoagulant property. ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಮಾಡದೇ ಇರೋಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ನಿಗದ. ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಈ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ತದ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ salivary glands of blood sucking organisms like leech. The salivary gland of the leech is having this hirudin, and nowadays it is most potent natural inhibitor of thrombin, which regulates the blood clotting reactions. ಈ ಇತ್ತೀಚಿನ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಈ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ನ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಸೇಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಥ್ರೋಂಬಿನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ರೋಂಬಿನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಕೇಡ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಟಿಂಗ್ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್. ಆ ಥ್ರೋಂಬಿನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿನ ಇನ್ಹಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೆಫರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಎಂಟಿಕೋಆಗ್ಯುಲೆಂಟ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ನ ಬ್ರಾಸಿಕಾ ನೇಪಸ್ದು ಎಂಬ್ರಿಯೋಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದರ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ ಅಕ್ಯುಮಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಿರುಡಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹೆಮಟೋಮಾ, ಇವನ್ ವೆರಿಕೋಸ್ ವೇನ್. ದ assertion is correct, but reason is also correct, but reason is not the proper explanation of assertion. Then, so here in this image you can see the conversion of proinsulin into insulin. Proinsulin is non-functional, insulin is functional. So in the image you can see A and B chains are joined by C chain. When C chain is present in the insulin, it is inactive in condition. When that C chain is removed during the maturation, A and B chain are connected by disulfide bond, which becomes the functional or active insulin. So which one is the answer? Here A represents proinsulin B represents cell peptides acting on it, and C represents the functional insulin, and D is free C peptide because that C chain is removed from A and B. Once the C chain is removed, disulfide bond formation is executed between A and B chain, which becomes the functional or active insulin. Next one. Bt toxin is harmful to insects like tobacco budworm and armyworms. They are belonging to Lepidopterans and Coleopterans beetles, diphtherians, flies and mosquito, and all of the above. So which one is the answer? Here the answer is all of the above, because all these are belonging to the group of insects, and these insects larvae can be killed with the help of Bt toxin. So wherever this Bt comes, it means the crystal genes or the cry genes of Bacillus thuringiensis are introduced in the plants to give resistance against the insect, and that cry gene is coding for crystal protein, and crystal proteins when enter into alkaline medium or alkaline system, the inactive or non-toxic crystal proteins are converted into toxic crystal proteins. As a result, the cells rupture out, leading to the death of insect larvae. Then RNA interference technique has been devised to protect the plants from nematode, is silenced by dash produced by the host. RNAi, what is this? RNA interference molecule, and RNA interference molecule is represented by double-stranded RNA. RNA interference molecule is double-stranded RNA. It results in silencing of mRNA molecule, where it is preventing the gene expression. mRNA cannot be undergoing the translation, so that the gene expression can be inhibited, and RNAi represents double-stranded RNA. C peptide of human insulin. It is a part of mature insulin molecule responsible for the formation of disulfide bridges removed during maturation of proinsulin to insulin, and responsible for its biological activity. So answer, C peptide of human insulin is removed during maturation of proinsulin into insulin. What is proinsulin? It is inactive form of insulin secreted from the beta cells of pancreas. The active insulin contains totally 51 amino acids, which are arranged in two chains, A chain and B chain. A chain contains 21 amino acids and B chain contains 30 amino acids. When these two chains are connected by C chain, it is pro-insulin system. They are the functional cells of immune system. So the lymphocytes are extracted from the patient and they are grown in culture. A functional ADA gene, which is coding for adenosine deaminase, is introduced into the lymphocyte using retrovirus, because they can infect the cells very easily. Making use retrovirus as vector, the functional ADA gene is introduced into the lymphocyte, and once again those lymphocytes are introduced into the patient's body. This is how the SCID caused due to ADA deficiency can be treated through the gene therapy. Then, in some children, ADA deficiency can be cured. What are the options? Through the bone marrow transplantation, enzyme replacement therapy, both A and B, none of the above. So here the answer is both A and B. ADA deficiency can be completely cured by gene therapy through the transfer or insertion of functional gene. And here some basic symptoms of ADA are pneumonia, chronic diarrhea, and widespread skin rashes. They are commonly found in ADA deficiency as it damages the immune system. GEAC, direct question. It stands for Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. What is the role of this committee? This committee is judging. With this committee decides, it takes the decisions regarding validity of GM products. What is the safety and how much safe the genetically modified products are if they are introduced for the public service. All those decisions are taken by this committee called Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. In order for gene therapy to be most effective, genes should be inserted in the stem cells. Why the stem cells are selected? Where do you find the stem cells? They are present in the bone marrow, and these stem cells are pluripotent. They are continuously dividing. See, in plant body, as the meristematic cells are continuously dividing and differentiating, like in the human body, the bone marrow cells, the stem cells are continuously dividing and they are pluripotent. They can be differentiated into any other type of the cell in the laboratory, and moreover, these cells are continuously dividing related to immune system. They are selected for the gene therapy. Biotechnology deals with the industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals and biological products using genetically modified. Here, the entire application of the biotechnology is given in the form of question. Biotechnology deals with the industrial scale production of biopharmaceuticals and biological products. ಬಯೋಫಾರ್ಮಸ್ಯೂಟಿಕಲ್ಲು ಮತ್ತು ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಫೈ ಆಗಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್: ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ, ಫಂಗೈ ಓನ್ಲಿ, plants and animals only, and the right option is all of the above, because selection of the genetically modified organism depends on the interested product. ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾರ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಜೆನೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಫಂಗೈನೂ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಫಾರ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಬೈ ದ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. So answer is all of the above, particularly for the production of antibiotics and hormones. What is the disadvantage of using porcine insulin obtained from the pig in diabetic patients? Previously, before the invention of technology of production of insulin by rDNA, the diabetic patients, they used to treat with the insulin obtained from the pancreas of slaughtered cattle and pigs. ಈ ಸ್ಲಾಟರ್ ಹೌಸಿಂದ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಗೆದಂಥ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ಕ್ರಿಯಾಸನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದು, ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಟಲ್ದು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಪಿಗ್ದು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಆ ಇನ್ಸುಲಿನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡಯಾಬಿಟಿಕ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಬಟ್ somehow the insulin extracted from the pancreas of pig and cattle, it has caused allergy in the patients. So it may cause allergic reactions in the patients. That is why the porcine insulin is stopped to treat the diabetic patients. Later only Eli Lilly and company, they have produced the insulin by rDNA technology. A transgenic food crop which may help in solving the problem of night blindness in developing countries is the transgenic food crop which may solve the problem of night blindness. So night blindness caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A, and the answer is option A, golden rice. Golden rice is rich in beta carotene. This is the rich source of beta carotene, and beta carotene is the precursor for vitamin A. To synthesize the vitamin A, required precursor molecules are beta carotene. If the beta carotene rich rice is supplied to the body or the organism, it will help in the synthesis of vitamin A, and that can solve the problem of night blindness caused due to deficiency of vitamin A. Which of the following techniques made it possible to genetically engineer living organisms? Gene manipulation of either plant or the animal is made possible with the help of recombinant DNA techniques. And one thing here we need to remember, the rDNA technology is possible because the DNA can be cut and DNA can be rejoined with the help of two important enzymes. To cut the DNA, RNA can be used, and to rejoin the DNA, DNA ligase can be used, and this DNA segment of interest can be transferred from one organism to another organism with the help of plasmid. All these are the reasons why the genetically modified organisms can be created only through the recombinant DNA techniques. Then match the following. Here, forensic science, it is related to DNA fingerprinting, because with the help of DNA fingerprinting, the cause of the death, cause of any other kind of crime can be detected. ELISA, it is for detecting AIDS, test for detection of AIDS. Probe, it is nothing but radioactive DNA or RNA, usually single stranded. That radioactive DNA is used in the identification of the variable number tandem repeats of a particular person during DNA fingerprinting. And last one, alpha 1 antitrypsin. This protein is necessary to treat emphysema. So here the right option becomes A, fourth one, B, first one, probe, that is C, second one, and D, it is third one. So option D is the right answer for this question. Transgenic animals are produced What is the reason behind the production of transgenic animals? To study how genes are regulated and how they affect the normal functioning of a body and its development, to study the diseases, to obtain useful biological products, and to test vaccine safety and chemical safety. So here all the reasons for the production of transgenic animals are right. So the right option for this one is option A, because they are used to study the diseases, they are used to study the regulation of genes and their expression, they are used to obtain the biological product like alpha 1 antitrypsin, even they are used for the study of vaccine and chemical safety. All these are the reasons for the production of transgenic animals. So these are the questions that I wanted to discuss with respect to applications of biotechnology. I hope it is clear. Thank you.